welcome to my makeup collection video. I did just finish doing a beauty room tour, so if you guys are interested in touring out my office beauty room area, then definitely check out the beauty room tour. I will leave that video linked below. But for today, we're focusing on the makeup collections. My vanity is from IKEA. So starting off on top of my vanity here, I have this acrylic organizer that I got from Amazon, and I just keep some of my favorite Anastasia liquid lipsticks at the back of it, and then some of my kind of higher end liquid lipsticks. So moving on to the other side of my vanity, I just have some more makeup storage. I also keep my makeup brushes here in this spinning organizer from Amazon. It's also from Target. And then I have this acrylic organizer box from Luxie Beauty. So in this acrylic organizer, I pretty much keep my everyday makeup in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through each drawer with you guys. This first drawer up top here kind of keeps most of my face products. Next drawer, I like to use this drawer pretty much for kind of new products that I get sent or that I purchase. And I pretty much keep it in here just to remind me while I'm doing my makeup to make sure that I use it. In the next drawer here is all of my eye and brow products. This last drawer is probably one of my favorites. First, I keep this Tarte contour palette because I really love using that. The Becca highlight palette, love that. I also keep here snuck along the side my most used contour palette ever. This is the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. And then I have some Makeup Geek eyeshadow palettes. I also keep my beauty blenders back there. I keep some lash glue, tweezers, scissors, 2 setting sprays. So in this first drawer here, I keep all of my foundations. I keep my drugstore foundations along the side here, some high-end along the other side here. This drawer is where I keep a lot of my primers, finishing powders, foundation powders, and also concealers. These little acrylic organizers, if you guys are familiar with me and my channel, my Snapchat, then you know I love these acrylic organizers because 3 of these fit perfectly in the Alex drawers. I did come across them though at HomeSense and Winners, so you might have to keep your eye out whenever you're shopping. So right along the left here, I have some primers, and I organize them again by high-end and drugstore. So I have some high-end, which I know the Nivea is not high-end, but I just use this so often that I just kept it here. I have some Smashbox, Becca Backlight, Benefit Professional, Marc Jacobs, Makeup Geek Makeup Forever Step 1 primer, Too Faced Hangover. We have the new Milani primers over there. We got NYX, we got CoverGirl, Maybelline. So this section here, I kind of like to keep setting powders and also some foundation powders. And then I have some more back here, mainly 3 of the Ben Nye Luxury powders. So over here, I keep concealers. Outside of the ones I have in my everyday drawer, I have the Naked color correcting fluids. We have some MAC concealers here, Maybelline and Sephora, Maybelline again, Bare Minerals. I also have a bunch of Becca concealers back here and also a NYX concealer palette. Now moving on to the next drawer, I like to keep all of my eyeshadows here. So these are the same Harmon organizers that I was telling you guys about, but in this drawer, since it is deeper, what I do is I keep 6 on the bottom and 6 on top. That way it actually allows me to have extra storage on the bottom. Right now I don't have anything in it because I have a lot of extra space right now ever since I decluttered stuff. But over here on this one, I have my Milani Bella Gel eyeshadows, and I love how perfectly it fits in here. I'm obsessed. And then underneath it, I sneak in some drugstore quad. In this one here, I have all of my ColourPop eyeshadows. And then along here, I have 2 layers of L'Oreal Pressed Pigments. This Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill eyeshadow, which is so gorgeous. And underneath this layer here, I have some more eyeshadows. And then along this side, I have all of my Anastasia waterproof gel colors, a MAC paint pot. And then along the back, I just have some jumbo eye pencils, some eye primers, some kind of cream shadow sticks back there. I have a bunch of eyeliners. Honestly, don't ask me why I need all these eyeliners, like Makeup Geek, Urban Decay, Rimmel. This section here, I just have some brow products, Anastasia, Milani, e.l.f., Becca. And then in the next drawer, I just have some setting sprays. And then this drawer down here is completely empty for some extra storage if I need it in the future. So now moving on to the second set of 5 drawer Alex drawers from IKEA. The first drawer is probably my favorite drawer ever because this is my highlight drawer. This organizer here is literally godsend. This is by a brand called Sony, and they sell acrylic organizers that fit perfectly in the Alex drawers. So I have one of their compact organizers in here just to store all of my highlights. I have some Becca highlights. This one here is in the shade Pearl. We also have the infamous Opal here. Also some limited edition MAC highlighters. The new Urban Decay Afterglow highlight powders, Bobbi Brown, NARS, all of the Anastasia highlights here. So I keep all of my high-end highlights here, and then my drugstore ones over here. Some ColourPop highlighters and another Physicians Formula. Back there I just keep two highlighters that don't actually fit in the organizer because they're a little bit too chunky. And then also behind there I keep some cream highlights. And moving on to the next drawer, I have another one of those Sony organizers in this drawer, but this one keeps all of my bronzers. I have this Hourglass bronzer, we got Becca, Urban Decay Beached bronzers, CoverGirl, NYC, NYC Smashbox. And then as you can see back there, I also have some more products. So we have that MAC Interrupted, which is too thick of a compact to fit in these. I also have 3 boxed products by Benefit. I keep them together just so that the boxed products can be together. So you have Hoola, Dandelion, and Dallas. Next drawer is a deeper drawer again, but what I did is I took another one of those Sony Cosmetics organizers, but this one is the blush organizer. So the compacts are a little smaller, and instead of having 3 big rows, you have 4 smaller rows for smaller blushes. So what I did for this drawer, since this drawer was one of the deeper drawers and I wanted my blushes to be like lifted, I didn't want them to sink into the drawer, I just laid down 6 of those same Harmon organizers that I showed you before. As you can kind of see it in the back there, I laid them down upside down to give it a base to lay the Sony organizer on top of. Now I know that is a little bit of a waste of space since this is a deeper drawer, but personally for me, I'm not pressed for space right now. Like I have a ton of extra storage, so it's okay for me to do for right now. So like I said, I keep my blushes in here. I have them organized again by high end and then drugstore in those 2 rows. So I have a couple Milani blushes, we have Jordana, we got some NYX. I have all of the new Becca Shimmering Skin blushes and also some of their kind of regular blushes. Also the Urban Decay powder blushes that I'm obsessed with, and Tarte Exposed, which is one of my favorite blushes ever. Next drawer, I keep all of my liquid lipsticks. So this organizer down here is again by Sony Cosmetics. So right along the side there, I keep my Kat Von D liquid lipsticks along with 2 Makeup Forever liquid lipsticks. Over here, I have all of my Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipsticks and some Lipland liquid lipsticks, some Anastasia. We got some of the NYX lip lingeries that I'm so obsessed with. I love, love, love those. So next to my vanity, I have this closet where I use for extra storage. Right up on top here, I have this acrylic organizer from Sony, and right now it's pretty empty. I don't have anything in them right now except for some Anastasia lip glosses. I keep all of my Anastasia lip glosses in here. So up on this first drawer here, I keep my pressed pigments and glitters. Inside, the organizers are from By Algory. And just on the side, I have some glitter adhesives. After that, I have some liquid lipsticks. This is an idea that I actually got from Ashtag Makeup Love on YouTube, I believe her name is. These are actually just ice cube stick trays from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I just put some smaller sized liquid lipsticks in them. So onto the next drawer, I keep some more lip products. So I have some jumbo lip pencils, the Revlon ones, some Wet n Wild, a lot of e.l.f. over here, some high-end lip glosses, and then some drugstore lip glosses. And then I keep my lip liners. So all of my high-end lip liners are here. And then I have a bunch of drugstore lip liners. So next I have my lipstick drawer, and these organizers are actually from Amazon. They're from the brand called Shani, but you could also get the same lipstick organizer that I got from Sony Cosmetics, and you could just put 2 side by side here and that would fit perfectly as well. Now the next 2 drawers here are empty, and I just have them for extra storage that I might need in the future. And then moving on to the next set of 6 drawers, I keep my eyelashes in this drawer. The next drawer here is also empty for extra storage in the future whenever I need it. Next I have a drawer filled with Nail Her nails. I have yet to try them, but they sent me over a huge box with a bunch of them. Like I have 2 stacked side by side. Next drawer, I keep all of my extra makeup brushes. I know this seems so excessive, but when you film videos like I do, I have to just have extra brushes for certain reasons. And then down here, this is like my backup drawer and also my kind of random storage drawer. So this is the drawer where I just keep all of my product backups in. So anytime I run low on my favorite Holy Grail product, I will have it here. And then along the side here, I have some MAC empty palettes. I'm not using them right now, but I keep them just in case in the future if I ever decide to just start using them again. And then the last drawer just houses all of my random makeup bags, which is kind of excessive, but they're really good for when you're traveling or anything like that. So I just keep them kind of stored right down the bottom here. So next in my beauty room, I have this really large Hayworth chest that I got from Pier 1 Imports. So on the top of it here, I just have this lipstick holder that I got from Lady Moss. I just keep any gold lipsticks in here. Beside it, I just have this acrylic organizer from By Algory. These are for lip glosses, but I just use it for liquid lipsticks, and I have all of my Anastasia liquid lipsticks in here. And then underneath it, I have this Muji 2 drawer, which I keep some more liquid lipsticks, and I just keep my pretty gold liquid lipsticks just because I love how it looks. So I have all of my, these are actually lip glosses, sorry, from Gerard Cosmetics. I just have them all lined up here. I have some Lip Splash liquid lipsticks back there. Next drawer, I just have some ColourPop liquid lipsticks in here. And then this Hayworth chest here actually stores all of my palettes. I like to keep my smaller eyeshadow palettes in this drawer, and I'm obsessed with just the layout of this and how well these palettes fit in these drawers. So I just have all of them kind of slanted up on each other because I find that it looks really good, but it's also really practical because you get to see what each palette looks like. I have a bunch of Buxom self-made palettes that I made myself lined up here, a Becca palette over here, some e.l.f. over there, and some Sigma back there. And then I have my favorite Stila Eyes of the Window palettes all lined up over here, Makeup Geek Many MUA palette, Tarte Tartelette palette, the Tartelette in the Bloom back there, and also some Anastasia palettes all lined up there. Maybelline lined up there, and CoverGirl lined up there. Also L'Oreal and Coastal Scents, and also Makeup Geek Vegas and Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. So in the second drawer here, I keep some more eyeshadow palettes, and these are just my regular sized palettes. So along the side here, I have 4 Urban Decay palettes, BH Cosmetics Carly Bybel, e.l.f. palette, and Makeup Forever. And then all of like my rectangular shaped palettes are just lined up along this side. I have the Urban Decay Naked palettes, Too Faced Chocolate Bar, Hidden Treasures by Dose of Colors, IT Cosmetics Naturally Pretty, Lorac Pro palette, and also the Balm Nude Tude. This one has been my favorite lately. This is the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures palette. It is so beautiful, like the shades are amazing and the quality is so bomb. The third drawer has all of my kind of Z palettes of shadows that I put together myself. So we got Makeup Geek, Anastasia here, some Morphe. Then I also keep all of my Morphe palettes here. So this is like my whole Morphe collection all in one drawer. So moving on to the last drawer here is where I keep all of my palettes that are for the face. So you have cream contour, highlight, blush palettes, and all of that jazz. This is the newest limited edition Tarte palette. The NYX Strobe of Genius palette that I'm obsessed with and love so much. The Anastasia Cream Contour palettes, Anastasia Glow palettes. There are 4 e.l.f. contour, blush, and cream foundation palettes back there. So after the Hayworth chest, I just have a couple makeup products stored on these really decorative shelves from IKEA. On this part of the shelf here, I have this really nice kind of like candy jar looking thing that I got from HomeSense, and I just filled it up with my Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. And then this thing I love so much. This is from Amazon. This is by Interdesign. I'll link it down below. But I keep my Tarte lip glossy paints here, which I really love these. Lipland Jumbo Lippies and some ColourPop back there. And then on the next shelf here, it's probably one of my favorite shelves just because I love this palette so much. It's the Tarte Park Avenue Princess limited edition palette. And then next to it I have this A mug that I got from Anthropologie.com, and inside of it just houses all of my Kylie Cosmetics lip products. And then down here I just have some Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks inside an empty Bath & Body Works can. Then I have this Charlotte Tilbury gold bar highlight. It is so beautiful, so it was only right for me to have it on display. And I just keep all of my gold and rose gold highlighter compacts in this little guy. And then all the way at the very bottom, I have this gold lined acrylic organizer that I got from HomeSense. And I just keep all of my Milani makeup in there, so some Milani Amore matte lip creams and some Milani rose blushes. So on the other side of my beauty room, I have another LAC shelf, so I'm going to show you guys some of the makeup that I store on here. So on this shelf, I have another one of those by Al Gorey lip gloss holders. In here, I just keep these Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks in here, which these are probably one of my favorite liquid lipstick formula ever. And then 2 of the new melted matte liquid lipsticks from Too Faced that I'm still testing out. And then on the next shelf here, it's probably one of my favorite shelves as well. Again, another one of those candy jar looking jars that I got from HomeSense. And I just keep a bunch of my Gerard Cosmetics gold lipsticks in there. And I also got this gold display easel from the dollar store. Onto the next shelf here, I keep some Too Faced products. So this little jar here, I actually got from HomeSense, and you're supposed to put like cotton pads in it, but I decided to just put some Too Faced melted lipsticks in there. And then this is a compact organizer by Al Gorey from Amazon, and I just keep all of my Too Faced bronzers and blushes and stuff in here lined up. So that is it for my makeup collection video. I hope you enjoyed watching and also got a couple storage and organization tips. Like, thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.